Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about deodorants, or more specifically let's talk about underarm odor and making use out of your deodorants. So I've got 5 brands here that I wanted to talk about, and they are all products that I have used up. As per usual, I will talk about it in the order at which I will recommend it. But before I talk about all the brands that I have used up, let's just talk about body odor, because body odor can make us feel self-conscious. But I think the first step in feeling fresh is owning your underarm routine. So it's actually very basic and simple, but I think it's just not a lot of people really follow it. And it's quite embarrassing when other people can smell you, but then you can't smell yourself. I was in the supermarket the other day, and let me tell you, like, body odor is real for some people. And I think with the situation that we are in now, where everyone else is working from home, I think sometimes a lot of the self-care and hygiene habits are gone because there's no incentive to shower and put on clean clothes and smell a bit nicer. And because most people are now staying home, working from home, it's almost like some of those personal hygienes go. And I think when people do that, they probably are not thinking about it, and they just go to the supermarket without having had a shower, putting on clean clothes, etc. And so inevitably it's just not a good smell and even sight. So I think I'm just gonna give a few quick tips here in terms of managing underarm odor. Number 1 tip is use deodorants, and the antiperspirant kind or type is a lifesaver. They are the best ones. I have gone to the route where I did the natural, organic sort of deodorant. Whilst they are great for sensitive skin and also good for the body, or better for the body and the skin, they are not formulated for as an antiperspirant. I think because a lot of the antiperspirants have got a number of chemicals in it, hence the technology of antiperspirant. But they do help in feeling fresh and clean, because your armpit will be dry for 24 hours or more, because some of the products claim to be full protection for 48 hours. So I think that if you perspire a lot and you want to feel fresh and clean, like, use antiperspirant deodorant, and that is the number 1 tip. Second tip is make sure that after shower you really have to dry yourself and dry your armpit area before you put the deodorant, because if you are too excited to put the deodorant just after you shower without drying it off, the deodorant will not stick to the skin. Deodorants are most effective when you really apply it once your armpit is dry, so make sure that you have to dry that area before applying your deodorant. And then tip number 3, if you are looking at reducing body odor, it actually helps to have less hair in that area. I had laser done on my armpit, so I have no hair in that area. It helps if you have lesser hair. Having less hair or no hair in the armpit is that your deodorant is able to sink in properly, and so if you've got the antiperspirant, then you've got the maximum benefit of using that deodorant. Otherwise, if you have hair in there, maybe trim that. Don't let it grow too bushy. Just make sure that you trim that. Tip number 4 is, whether you're a fan of a spray deodorant or stick deodorant, I think it helps if you wear clothing that is made of natural fibers, so like 100% cotton or silk or wool or cashmere. So wear the natural fabrics rather than the synthetic ones. So the synthetics will be for example, polyester. The more natural the fabric is, the more breathable it is, so your body has a chance to breathe, and hence less perspiration, or you minimize the sweat. Especially during summer, or if you're, say, in the Philippines and it's a tropical, hot and humid weather all the time, then wear the 100% cotton because that has got more chance for your body to breathe. And so yeah, again, inevitably you sweat less, and then that helps manage your underarm perspiration and hence the odor. Okay, now so let's move on to the products that I have used up, and these are all supermarket drugstore brands. They're not expensive at all. The price range is $3 up, and if you wait for the sale, so they are not expensive at all. So I'll just go through the brands in the order at which I will recommend it. The first two products are from Dove, and the first one is the original one. It is in 50 ml, so it's got 1/4 moisturizing cream with vitamins E and F. So this is an antiperspirant deodorant, and it says here 48 hours, so that would mean it's 48-hour protection, but then which means you don't shower for the next 2 days. But anyway, so that's what the packaging looks like. So this is the rollerball type. That's the packaging. And then the second one is also from Dove, and this is the fresh grapefruit and lemongrass scent. So it's also got the 1/4 moisturizing cream. This one has 24 hours. So the other one, the original one, has got the 48 hours, and then this one has got 24 hours. So I don't know why this one is 48 and this one is 24. So the application of this is also rollerball. All right, and then the third one is from Nivea, and this is called the Pure Invisible Gentle Care. So this is also 24-hour antiperspirant deodorant, no white marks, and alcohol free. So that's what the packaging look like. Yeah, I like that it has got no white marks, because most deodorants tend to do that. They just leave a white marks on the armpit area of a top. I do like Nivea as a brand as well. This is also another rollerball applicator. Alright, and then the third one is called Mom Dry. This one is non-sting and alcohol free. So active 24-hour antiperspirant deodorant. So that's what the packaging looks like. Alright, so all day wetness and odor protection, gentle non-sting alcohol free formula, light delicate fragrance, won't clash with perfume. This is also 50 ml. This was also okay, but that's why it's number 4. And then the last one is a stick deodorant. I think this one was a free one. I don't remember buying this. I knew it came from one of the free set. This one was free, and I know I didn't buy it. So this is a stick deodorant. It's an Old Spice high endurance invisible solid pure sport. I know that I've used this only during weekend, because the Old Spice really is for men. The scent is for men, and I didn't want to waste it, so I just used it during the weekend when if I'm not going out anywhere, and I'm just staying home. This is what I used. And yeah, so this is also antiperspirant deodorant. Those are my tips, and those are the products that I have used up. Like I said, I'm not fussed with the brand. I've tried the natural organic route, but I always go back to the antiperspirant one, because then I won't have to worry about body odor, and I always go back to the antiperspirant, because then that way I am more like, I'm not gonna be self-conscious whether I've got wet marks on my armpit. Whether I've got wet marks on my armpit, which is really, it can be so embarrassing. Alright, that's it. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Cheers. Bye bye.